Hi, my name is Itai Elani. I'm 24 years old and I live in Kfar Saba. I'm about to start my third and final year of studying economics and business administration at Reichman University. Through my studies, volunteering, and participation in university clubs, I've been exposed to different aspects of the business world: how decisions are made, how data is used to guide strategy, and how teams work together to solve problems. These experiences helped me discover that I enjoy combining analytical thinking with teamwork and that I thrive when I'm challenged to understand the bigger picture and contribute to real impact. I believe I'm a great fit for the co-op program because I'm curious, responsible, and genuinely excited to learn. I may not come with years of work experience, but I bring a strong work ethic, a desire to grow, and the mindset to ask thoughtful questions and contribute with positive energy. I see this as a rare opportunity to gain hands-on experience, connect theory to practice, and learn how things really work behind the scenes. At the same time, I feel the co-op is a perfect fit for me. It's a chance to explore different industries, work alongside professionals, and better understand what kind of roles inspired me the most. I'm looking forward to challenging myself and taking the next steps for the meaningful career. Thank you for watching.